This is how to get paid online using Western Union in Nigeria. One of the challenges we have in Nigeria is to see platforms like websites and apps that will accept and pay Nigerians. The objective of this channel is to review various websites and apps that will accept and pay Nigerians. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. That will help you to know as I publish my videos every week. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will introduce to you 23 apps that makes me money all the time in Nigeria. But first, let me show you how to use Western Union to get paid online in Nigeria. Let's do it. The name of this website is ATM. With this website, you can get paid by many websites and apps. When you get paid, as I used to get paid all the time, your money will come here. You will see your money in your wallet like this. As soon as you get paid, you come to this place. You will withdraw this money and transfer it to Western Union. And you can walk into any bank in Nigeria to collect this money. All you need to do is to click withdraw. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video to claim your free $3 sign-up bonus from ATM. That is when you use that link. So you browse, you type Western Union. Don't forget, we're transferring your earnings to Western Union. These are Western Unions for different countries, and our own country is Nigeria. If you are watching me from other countries too, you can transfer Western Union to your country. So we type Nigeria, Western Union Nigeria, you click it. The minimum amount you can use Western Union for is 1,500 Nigerian naira. This transfer will take 4 stages. How much do you want to receive in Nigeria? Suppose I want to receive 10,000 naira. I will type it here, 10,000 naira. I will scroll down. That implies that this is the money I must have here in your wallet. You can transfer as small as this amount to Western Union and you get it in Nigeria. I want to receive this 10,000 through Western Union in Nigeria. That is $6. You must have it in your wallet. Look at it. You have to configure your payment method to continue with this transaction. So you continue. You have to configure your name and your details, including address of your location in Nigeria, so that I'll be able to collect this money. You click continue. This is where you configure your payment methods. You type your name, your last name, your address, your city in Nigeria, your province, maybe local government, your state. Don't forget, I have this money in my wallet and this is the amount I will collect from Western Union. So I fill in this detail. I will just click configure payment. I've configured my payment details. All I need to do is to submit this request. Immediately you submit this request, you follow the process step by step. Then they will send to you what is called MTCN. That is your money transfer control number. You walk into any of this bank with your MTCN 10-digit number with your ID card to collect your money. They can only pay you in Nigerian naira and you get paid instantly. So this is the platform you can easily use to get paid when you work online through Western Union transfer and you'll be able to get your money in Nigeria. But what are the websites that you can work with where you can make money online that will pay you through ATM? Let me show you. Look at this website. This is 5 legit websites that pay through ATM, and you can work with any of these websites from Nigeria. They will pay directly to ATM and you can now pay from ATM through Western Union transfer. The link of this video will come out here. Watch this video later. You now know how to use ATM to be able to collect your earnings online using Western Union transfer in Nigeria. All you need to do is to do the work. For you to get paid is no more a challenge. But for you to get websites and apps that will accept and pay you as a Nigerian, you need to watch the next video. These are 23 apps and websites that I work with all the time. You will see my proof of earnings in that video. The best of those apps, they are towards the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.